In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page in HubSpot. So once you're logged in, go to the left-hand panel. Under Content, hover over the icon and click Landing Pages. Now click Create in the top right. And if you have a premium plan, you can also create one with AI. But I'll just click Create. So here it shows my theme is Elevate. So on the right, you'll see all the landing page templates, event, product, or services, download, meeting, and more. You can start with a blank page or preview any template to see if you like it. So for me, I'm going to use landing page information requests. So I'll select this template and tap Use. You can edit everything on the template. Click to add a logo. And if you want, or if I want to edit this header, I just click it. So that opens a panel on the left. I can type the new text and it changes right away. I can set heading levels, change styles, and adjust alignment. You can add extra content and change images too. So when I click an image, I can replace it. In Contents, you can see the page content that's already there. If you want to add your own, click the plus button to add modules. You can drag in accordion, anchor, button, card, countdown timer, and more. So for example, I'll add a button. It says here learn more, so I'll change it to watch now. So to link the button, I tap the pencil icon to edit. I can add a URL and choose to open it in a new window. I'll paste a YouTube video or a channel link. Well, it's really up to you. Now, when someone clicks the button, it will go to that link. You can preview to test it. So I'll click watch now, and then it takes me to the exact URL. So that's how you know it works. Then we can go back, and when you're done editing, click publish, and then HubSpot will show anything that needs fixing. A page title is required, so I'll name the page title, and now I can publish. And it's really that easy and simple. So that's all for this video, and thank you so much for watching. And for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.